Bridge Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Bridge Wallet app promises to make crypto easy, but most people don't realize how much it actually simplifies one of the hardest parts of the crypto world, converting between fiat and blockchain assets. Let's break down the pros and cons to see if it really lives up to its name. Starting with the pros. The biggest advantage of Bridge Wallet is exactly what it's named for. It acts as a bridge between your traditional bank account and the blockchain. It allows you to buy, sell, and transfer cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins directly from your phone. You can cash out in euros, dollars, or Swiss francs, often with lower fees than typical exchanges. Another major pro is non-custodial security. Unlike centralized exchanges, you retain full control of your private keys, which means your assets are always in your possession. Bridge Wallet never holds your funds. It's also developed by Mount Pelerin, a Swiss fintech company known for regulatory transparency. The app supports crypto to fiat transactions without kick for smaller amounts, a rare convenience in the current market. On top of that, the wallet's multi-chain support lets you interact with Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain, giving you access to DeFi apps and NFTs. Now, for the cons. While Bridge Wallet offers an excellent fiat on-ramp, it's still region limited. Not all countries can access every feature, and some banking networks aren't supported yet. Transaction times can also vary depending on network congestion, and since it relies on blockchain transfers, gas fees can spike unpredictably. Finally, while the interface is beginner-friendly, users completely new to crypto might find managing private keys and wallets slightly intimidating at first. In summary, Bridge Wallet is one of the most practical tools for anyone who wants to move seamlessly between traditional finance and crypto. It combines Swiss grade trust with real utility, but as always, convenience comes with the need for caution and understanding. If you're serious about bridging your money into crypto safely, this wallet is worth a closer look.